Welcome to Canal Market Academy. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to investing in real estate and achieving passive income. We know the world of real estate investing can seem complex, but today we'll guide you through the key concepts so you can make the most of this wealth-generating opportunity. Let's get started. But before we delve into the secrets of real estate investing, let us recommend a book that will be of great help on your path to financial success. Camino hacia la libertad financiera y la felicidad by Maximiliano Nicolas, available on Amazon, contains valuable advice for entrepreneurs looking to thrive in the investment world. 1. Understand the real estate market. Conduct a thorough research. Analyze data on supply and demand in the area where you want to invest. Know the occupancy rates, population growth, urban developments, and planned government projects that may affect the value of the property. Consult with local experts, talk to real estate agents, appraisers, and other investors with experience in the area. Getting different perspectives will help you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. 2. Choose an investment strategy. Long-term buy and hold. This strategy involves acquiring properties with the objective of holding them for the long term and benefiting from appreciation in value over time. It is an ideal option for investors seeking stability and passive cash flow through renting. Flipping, buying and selling quickly. This tactic involves acquiring undervalued properties, renovating them and selling them quickly at a higher price. It requires negotiation and remodeling skills, but can generate quick profits. Rental property investment. Buying properties to rent them out can provide regular, steady income. It is important to calculate the return on investment and ensure that rental income exceeds operating costs. 3. Exhaustive analysis of the property. Before investing, evaluate appreciation potential. Research the property's appreciation history and market trends. Consider factors such as location, nearby infrastructure, access to services, and economic growth prospects. Estimate operating costs. Calculate the expenses associated with the property, including taxes, insurance, maintenance, and repairs. Make sure that the income generated exceeds these costs for positive cash flow. Assess risk. Consider external factors that may affect the property, such as changes in legislation, economic fluctuations, or natural disasters. Implement risk mitigation strategies when necessary. 4. Smart financing. Get the best loan option. Research different financing options and compare interest rates, terms, and requirements. Work with a financial advisor or mortgage broker to find the best deal that fits your needs. Calculate borrowing costs. Make sure you fully understand the costs associated with the loan, including monthly payments, interest, and any other fees. Calculate how these costs will affect your profit margins. 5. Portfolio diversification. Don't put all your resources in one property. Diversify your investments in different types of properties, such as residential, commercial, or land. Also consider investing in different geographic locations to reduce exposure to specific local market risks. Consider diversified investment vehicles. In addition to investing directly in properties, you can consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms to access a diversified portfolio of properties. 6. Properly manage your properties. Establish efficient management. If you choose to invest in rental properties, it is important to have proper management. You can hire a property manager or manage it yourself, but make sure you provide quality service to your tenants and resolve problems in a timely manner. Regular maintenance. Keep your properties in good condition to protect their value and attract quality tenants. Perform regular inspections and make necessary repairs in a timely manner. Now you know the secrets to investing in real estate and generating passive income. Remember that success in this area requires research, planning, and a smart approach. Don't hesitate to use this knowledge to take your first steps into the world of real estate investing. At Canal Market Academy, we continue to provide you with resources and specialized courses so you can continue learning about financial and investment topics. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with our new content. Thanks for joining us for this video, and we wish you much success on your path to financial freedom through real estate investing. See you next time.